Today I will explain about sweep, but we already discussed about the sweep in the wall sweep and these things. But today I will explain about little bit different. So how I can able to get it from DWG and how I can able to get it, bring it to into RVT. It's like a Revit file. Okay, right. So first of all, you know how we can able to create the profile. So go to file and you can go to find out new. You can find out the family. Under the family, you can find out the metric profile. So metric profile is our base point to create our profile, right? Okay. So I open this one. Now I can go to open my CAD file here. Okay. So this is my CAD file. So in this CAD file, I create some points. I already create some profile. So I already did this profile. Okay. Right. So I already did this profile, but here you can find out your unit. Okay. So because we have to mention that you need to Revit. So this is millimeter. So you should be confirm the unit first. Okay. So when you did this one, you can just go for save. Okay. You can just save it. Okay. Right. After that, I can go back to my Revit file. I open my Revit. Right. Now I am in family. So I can go to find out the insert. I can go to find out the cat file. Okay. So in the cat file, so I already saved this one. Okay. So when I apply this one, so you can able to see this, the profile here. Okay. So here I can mention the millimeter and center to center the position. So I can just go for uh right. So I can go to find out my visibility setting. So I can just go for my visibility setting here. Right. So this one is previous one. Right. So now you can find out here. I insert my profile. So this is my CAD file. Okay. Now I can go back to my create. I can go to find out my line. Here you can able to find out the pick line. So you can able to uh, draw that one, the same profile here. So when you did this one, you can go to find out the visibility settings. Okay. You can just remove that CAD file here. So when you remove that CAD file, this is your Revit file is showing here. Okay. Now you can just connect this one. So this is your profile you created. Okay. Right. Now I can go back to my file, save as family. This one P1 profile one. I just mentioned the profile one. Okay. Done. Okay. Right. So now I can go back to my level 0 of my plan. Okay. So I can go to find out the 3D. This is previously I created one. So now I can create again one more here. Okay. Right. So I can go back to here. I can go to load into project. Right. Okay. I load into project now. So now I can click or I can select this wall. I can go back to edit type. In the edit type, we can keep it in the section point. So this is a section. Okay. In the section, you can find out the edit. In the edit, you can find out the sweep. In the sweep, you can go to add because you already I created one. So here you can find out the P1 and here you can mention around 300 the distance from my bottom level of for finishing level. So here I can go to find out the interior side and the offset I can put it around 12.5 from finishing. Apply. Okay. So here you can find out I have already created here. So here how I can able to change the material. So again, I can go back to my profile. Here I can mention like wood. Okay. The So if you want, I have to keep only my new profile. So I can just select the previous one. I can just delete. Okay. Apply. So now you can find out this is my new one. So again, I can change my distance like 50. Okay. So here I created here. So it's available from here. So now I can go back to my, I can apply OK, right? So now you can able to see this one. So this is available from here, right? So this is one available from here. In the same time, so I can go back to my wall. I can select the wall, edit. I can go back to edit. So wall edit. So can go for edit, right? Okay. So I can go for the reveal. I can add. I can choose my profile, same profile. So here I can go for around 300. Okay. And I can keep it like interior, apply. So, okay. So you can find out. So I created like this way. So I can go back to here. So I can flip it that one. So I can just flip like this design, or if you want, I can keep it like same design. For here, I can able to go for around 150. Okay. So I just leave it like this way. I can just go for OK, apply. So now you can able to see that one. So this my profile, it's showing like this way. Okay. So again, I can apply. I can go to edit, go to here, go back to my ribbon. So offset, I can keep it like 50. Okay. Okay. So you can just, so it's came to inside. So I can go back to offset around 10. I can put it 10, right? Uh, it's okay now. So I can just apply. Okay. So now you can see it. You can check it in my wall. So it's available like this way. So you can find out here. So it's available from here. Even you can go to choose wall. You can find out this way in the properties. In the properties, you can go to find out and choose your profile, the B1. Okay. So you can go for in the horizontal. So you can choose it like this way. Again, you can go to find out the sweep, and you can able to find out here, right? Okay. So this is the way you can create the sweep, but the sweep I create from DWG file to RVT file. Okay. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.